I've got this Peugeot 388 in this beautiful Obsession Blue. Unfortunately it's ruined by the small scuff on the bumper, which I'll go through on this video on how I repair this. I'll start off by analysing the bumper and how bad the damage is, see where I could clear to and where I could do my fade out if needed. Once I have an idea on where I'm going to clear, I start by masking the black trim as I don't want to damage this when I'm sanding. I start off with 120 grit on DA to level the damage as much as possible. The scuff itself was deep but not deep enough for filler. The high build primer I use will be able to fill the scuff in. Once I've leveled the scuff as much as possible, I then hit it with 180 ready for primer. I'm now happy with the sanding. I start masking ready for primer and also making sure that the damaged area is clean by cleaning it with a degreaser. I bake the primer for 20 minutes at 60 degrees, and once that's dried, I apply dry guide coat and hit it with 400 on a block, finishing it with the DA. This will ensure that we don't get any highs and lows before we spray the base. I now start masking the rest of the car and keying the rest of the bumper with a grey scotch pad and raw scuff paste ready for base and clear. This is now ready for base coat. Always ensure that the bumper is cleaned with a degreaser before spraying. I use my tack cloth to ensure there's no debris on the bumper. I apply light coats and dry with hairdryer until it is covered. I then finish with a drop coat to evenly distribute the metallic flakes. Once I'm happy with the colour, it's time for clear. I apply 2 coats of clear coat and using a bit of fade on the swage line to ensure a seamless finish. Once the clear has dried and polished, this is the end result. Thanks for watching.